Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa. So happy Makeup Monday. Today I am going to do a makeup tutorial, a little chit chat, get ready with me type of thing. I love filming these videos because it's so fun to just talk about the makeup, put the makeup on, explain the process, and have fun with you guys. I do have a coat on. It's a bit cold in my filming room, so I was like, why not just pop a coat on? Anyways, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this makeup tutorial and go forward. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I know I want to use pink. So if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and comment down below. Yeah, let's get started. So the first things first, I'm going to use the Morphe 433 brush. The good thing about using the same color scheme, but just a different style, is you don't got to clean your brushes too much. So this is the Morphe 433 brush. I do already have some pink on it. It's basically the same as a MAC 213 brush or 217 brush. And yeah, that's the shape of it. And what I'm going to do is, and I am using the James Charles palette right here. The Morphe one. It's just been one of my favorites. It has all the colors I want. I feel like today this is going to be an easy look. You just want to basically focus a lot of the color in the top area. You don't want to bring it down because you're going to make that into like a cut crease, a blown out cut crease. So you just keep building it right over here. I do like using a brush like this because it keeps the precision like really on point and you're not like making a mess. If you use a fluffier brush, it's going to get the shadow to go everywhere, and that's just like a totally different look. And I also feel like this brush makes the color go on much more concentrated and you're able to shape it. As you can see, I'm just shaping this, and then I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna like blow that out like right there. Just gonna continue to build up this area. Just use a lot of color. Use the stamping technique. Keep on stamping it out. I really like using this technique, especially if I find the color is like very, very hard to blend. Then I like to use this stamping technique. Helps everything blend out very seamlessly. Don't forget to try to concentrate the color a lot in the inner corners. I find myself, I'm always forgetting about my inner corners. So don't forget the inner corners. Then I'm going to go into this purple, and I'm just going to put this purple on top. So the James Charles palette, the James Charles palette shimmers are like shit, and they're not the greatest. So I really try to pack on these shimmers. The mattes are amazing, but those shimmers, they really, really suck. So I really try to pack on the shimmers. Unfortunately, not everything can be perfect. This is like my 10th pack on, and it's still not the best. Just the shimmers in this palette, they really suck. But I mean, they look nice though once you put it on. You really have to pack it on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a eyeliner because I just feel like this will look good with a liner. I'm just gonna go back in and kind of build. It's better to build it up when you're adding an eyeliner because it just looks a little bit better. If you've been watching Makeup Monday, you know that the Fenty concealer has been my current fave for my under eyes lately. It just feels so comfortable, and I love how it feels like when I'm gliding it onto my skin. I love how it feels. This is in the shade 310. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my Beauty Blender and dab it out really good. Fenty concealer just pounces out so nice. The blendability is amazing. I just love it. I also love the multi-faced Too Faced concealer, the multi-sculpting Too Faced concealer. That's also my favorite. But I don't know, Fenty, this concealer has really gotten me. And I don't know about the foundation. I wasn't like so impressed with the foundation. Nice and blended out. Next thing, I'm going to just go in to the under eyes. And a little dead over there, I'm going to use this purple pink shade. Purple, I'm going to mix these two together. I love mixing those together. I think it looks really, really nice. And I'm just gonna, you know, apply it over here. For the glow, you guys, I went in with the Glow palette by Glam Glow. This is really pretty. If you guys can see, it's like a very pretty golden color. And then for my lipstick, I went in with the YSL Slim Lip Pencil in number 16. I really love this color, and I love these lippies. They're so good. I need to do a video on that and like just share them with you guys. I'm gonna go in with the Kevyn Aucoin Pink Sands right here. It's like a mauve-y pinky shade, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm really feeling the whole pinky shade. I really like the pink right now, especially with this whole look. Why not? And raise it high. Very 80 vibes. And then I'm just gonna finish off this look with spraying myself with some Laura Geller Spackle Mist. I really like this. It's like hooks your face up. It has coconut oil in it. Don't talk when you put it on because you'll die. The mist is so fine that you could end up inhaling it. So I just like to go in and then we just fan ourselves really well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, get ready with me. It was really fun to do with you guys, and yeah, so I'm off. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!